The Vivo V20 is a mid-range Android smartphone produced by the Chinese manufacturer Vivo. It was first released in October 2020. Here are some of its key specifications. Display: 6.44-inch AMOLED display. 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution. 60 Hz refresh rate. HDR10 support. Processor: Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset. Octa-core CPU. Adreno 618 GPU. Memory and storage: 8 GB RAM. 128 GB internal storage. Micro SD card support up to 1 TB. Cameras: triple rear camera setup. 64 megapixel primary sensor with f/1.89 aperture. 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor with f/2.2 aperture. 2 megapixel mono sensor with f/2.4 aperture. 44 megapixel front-facing camera with f/2.0 aperture. Battery: 4000 mAh battery. 33 watts fast charging support. Other features: in-display fingerprint sensor. Dual SIM support. Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/AC. Bluetooth 5.1. USB Type-C port. Android 11 operating system with FunTouch OS 11. Overall, the Vivo V20 is a well-rounded smartphone with good specifications for its price range, particularly in terms of its camera and display.